This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to change image brightness in Google Docs. So you're in Google Docs, you have an image and you want to make it more or less bright. I've got a random project open right here with some text I found online, and I have this image here from Unsplash, the free image resource. So first of all, we will click on the image. You'll highlight the image by clicking on it. Then you will click these three dots here for image options. Come to the bottom, you see all image options, click on that. Now this sidebar will open right here. You click the drop down for adjustments, and we have the adjustments here for opacity, for brightness and contrast. So in this video we're doing brightness. You can change this granularly, kind of incrementally right here, or you could just drag this with the cursor right here and you'll see that the image brightness will change. So if you go into the minus, it starts at 0%. If you go into minus, you'll make the image darker. I mean, that looks kind of cool. You know, we've literally made this mountain look like it's nighttime, even though it's not. And you can just change things here. You can obviously click these at any point if you wanted minus 60%, if you knew that was a safe value. If you come back up to the closer we get to 0%, the closer we get to its original state. And if you wanted it brighter, wow, that's completely blown out. That's kind of almost like an overexposed image to the extreme. But yeah, you can tweak this how you want. You can change whatever your image is. You can start to change the brightness. In most cases, that's going to go in too far into the positive values. It's going to be overdone. You might just want to apply this kind of night effect like that. So that is how you will change the brightness in Google Docs. You will literally just highlight the image, open up the image settings, and then you can make your adjustments here. You can do, like I say, opacity, brightness, contrast, and a whole bunch of other coloration and size and stuff, text wrapping and all sorts you can do with image options. Actually quite surprisingly powerful on Google Docs. Not many people know you can actually do a lot of image editing stuff within Google Docs itself. You don't need to go to Canva or Photoshop or anything like that necessarily. So hopefully you found this video on how to change brightness of an image in Google Docs useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.